Miss Claire, and welcome again in our Math 5 class. Let's continue our lesson 4, chapter 13, and we are now on lesson 4, drawing and measuring lengths, and also lesson 5, comparing readings on different scales. The learning objectives for these lessons are to draw and measure line using a ruler and to compare readings on different scales for capacity and mass. Okay, P5, are you ready? Come on, let's start. Okay, before we start, let's review first about rounding measurements to the nearest whole unit. I have here a glow stick. What is the measurement of this glow stick? Yes, the measurement is 6.6 centimeters. So, in measuring length of children, take note that we will measure it starting from the left edge around here and the right edge here, left and right. So this is around here and this is 6.6 centimeters. Round to the nearest centimeter is 7 centimeters. Now, I have here a cotton bud. Let's measure this cotton bud. Of course, we will use our centimeter ruler. Again, when we measure children, start from the left edge and also until the right edge. As we see, this cotton bud is between 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters. It is 8 millimeter longer than 5. This is 8 millimeters here. So the measurement of this cotton bud is 5 centimeters, 8 millimeters, or 5.8 centimeters. Another, I have here a green line. Let's measure. Again, we will start from the left edge here and until the last or the right edge. Okay, this ruler, children, is still in centimeters. We have millimeters here. It means from here, from 0 here until 1, that is 10 millimeters. So the measurement of our green line, this is between 12 and 13 centimeters. This is 2 millimeter longer than 12. So this is 12 and this is 2 millimeters here. So this is 12 centimeters, 2 millimeters. Again, this is 12 centimeters, 2 millimeters, or we can simply say 12.2 centimeters. So it is easy to measure objects, children. Always remember that when we measure, we will start from the left edge and to the right edge. And when we measure, always start from the 0 here. We will always start from the 0. How about, children, if we have this one? We have here a screwdriver. Again, we will start from the left edge, from the 0 here, and also to the right edge. So this screwdriver is between 13 and 14 centimeters. And how many millimeters right after 13? This is 5 millimeters. This is 6, 7. So this is 7 millimeters after 13 centimeters. So the exact measurement of this screwdriver is 13 centimeters, 7 millimeters, or simply 13.7 centimeters. So how about this one? Let's measure the length of this blue rectangle. Take a look. Our blue rectangle, children, is not starting from 0. So how are we going to measure if an object is in the middle of the roller? This is the step. Point the left edge of the blue rectangle. So this is around here. And this is 1.1 centimeters, right? So this is 1.1 centimeters. Next, point out the right edge of this blue rectangle. And this is 7.5. So 7 centimeters, 5 millimeters. So this is 7.5. After that, children, let's subtract. Subtract the right edge minus the left edge. And that is 7.5 minus 1.5 centimeters. And that is 6.4. Therefore, the measurement of this blue rectangle is 6.4 centimeters. So that is the step on how to measure this kind of object that is in the middle of the ruler, and it does not start from 0. I have here another example. Try to find the measurement of this cutter. The same step when we measured the blue rectangle earlier. Again, find the left edge, what is the measurement here, and also on the right edge. around here. After that, you subtract the right edge minus left edge. So if you have the answer, children, you can share that during our Zoom meeting. Now let's study about how to draw lines. Of course, when we draw a line, we will use a ruler to make it straight. When we draw a line on your paper, you position your ruler. You position the tip of your pencil or ball pen on 0. Okay, now let's draw. So only like that. Okay, then what is the pencil stop on what centimeter? Yes, this is around here. So this is 8.1 centimeters. So that's how to draw a line. Another example I have here. So again, position your pencil on 0 here for the left edge of your line. Then draw straight. Okay, this is until, yes, look at the right edge. This is 4.9 centimeters. So it does not reach 5 centimeters. Now you can try to draw your own line. Now let's go to comparing readings on a different scales. So different scales. Look at our big or our small gallon. What is the capacity of this? When we see capacity, if we make it full, it will hold how many letters? Yes, it will hold 3 letters or 3000 ml. Okay, I have here different capacity, children, but have you observed? They have the same volume. The first one is this is until 500. So this is 500 ml. This one also is 500 ml and this is also 500 ml. So even though we have different containers, we can also put them different amount or capacity of volume of liquids or water. So all you need to think or observe, children, the markings on the container. So this one is by 50. So one marking is 50. So this one here is 500. It has 10 markings. The other one this is by 50 also, and then 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500 ml. This one is another markings. So this is counting by 50 also. 50, 100, 150, 200, and it reaches to 500. So when we measure some liquids or water on different containers, every container have different markings. So when we want to measure it, take note on the markings. For example, like this. I have 3 kinds of containers and it has different markings. Okay, let's find the volume of the first one, this one. This is 50. So the first marking here is 50. We divide it by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, this one marking is by 10 ml. Because we have ml here, so 10 ml. So this is 50, 60, 70, 80. Then in the middle is 85. So this is 85 ml. How about the other one? We have 50 here. So how many markings before 50? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. Therefore, each marking is 5 steps or 5 ml. So 50 plus 5, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So this container is 75 ml. Now the last one, this is a big container. From here, going to 100, it has 5 markings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 100 divided by 5 is 20. So this is 20, 40, 60, 80. So this is 80 ml. So that's how to find how to read the markings of different containers. Now let's order these volumes from the smallest to the largest. So which one is the smallest volume? Of course, 75 ml followed by 80 and 85. So this is the correct order of the volumes from the smallest to the largest. And another, children, is about the mass. I have here 3 different kinds of fruits and different masses. Let's order the mass from the heaviest to the lightest. Let's start with the avocado. Look at the avocado. What is the mass of the avocado? This scale is by kilogram. This is 1 kilogram. From 0 to 1, there are 10 small markings. So 1 marking means 100 grams. From 1 kilogram, how many markings? This is 2 markings, means 200 grams. So this is 1 kilogram, 200 grams, or 1.2 kilogram. Next, we have the banana. The banana, we have 1 kilogram here. Then we have how many markings? We have 4 markings. From 0 to 1, there are 10 markings. So the same, 100 grams per marking. So this is 1 kilogram to 400 grams, or 1.4 kilogram. Next, the papaya. This scale is by grams. So this is 900 grams. This is 1,000 grams, or 1 kilogram. The hand is between 900 and 1,000. So this is 950 grams, or if we use kilogram, that is 0.95 or 950 kilogram. Now, again, when we order, make sure we will use the same kind of unit of measurement. So the heaviest is the banana, followed by the avocado and the papaya. So this is the correct order of the 3 masses with different weighing scales. Okay, P5, that's all about lesson 4, drawing and measuring lengths, and lesson 5, comparing readings on different scales. So I will discuss more about this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone, and have a great day.